Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Just say to your friend good morning.
Morning, Kritika. Morning.
Good morning.
எல்லாம்
Okay.
சொல்லணும்.
So everyone join your hand.
Morning.
Stand straight.
Straight. Turn your hands.
Start the prayer. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind. Wind my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I praised with all my might. I shall achieve you my potential inside. Rub your hand. Put it in your face. Rub your hand. Put it in your face. And relax. Everyone stand up for the warm up. Right side. Left side. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Toes your toes. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Touch your toes. Roll. Clap. Sai Lakshmi, stand up. Jump. 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 Clap. Bounce. Round, round. Down, down, down. Jump, 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 jump. Run, 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 run. Run on your place. Run on your place. Yes. Stop. Stop. Very nice. Very nice. Lovely. Lovely. Okay. Okay, drink your water. Okay. Yesterday, what letter I taught you? Tell me, what letter I taught you? What letter I taught you? Say loudly. Who will say me loudly? D. Okay. What letter is this? A for
A for
Everyone go in mute. I will ask one. Can anyone only has to tell me? Anyone has to tell me. Otherwise, I could not find who will tell me. A for sound of A. What is the sound of A? Who will send me the sound? Tell me the sound of A. Yeah, sound.
A for apple.
Apple sound. Sorry, A sound.
Apple.
A. What letter is this? Okay. What is B for?
B for ball.
Okay. What is the sound of B?
Bub.
Okay. What is this? C for camel. What is the sound of C?
Sound.
Okay. What is this? D. What is the D for? Duck. What is the sound of D?
What is the sound of D?
Duck. What is the sound of D? Yeah. Duck. Duck. D for doll. D for dog. Start with D. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Again, shall we do a recap of letters? Yes or no? What is this, kid?
Camel.
Camel. C for
Camel.
Camel. Camel.
Camel.
What is this?
C for cat.
C for cat. Cat.
Very good.
Okay, what is this?
Cow.
C for cow. Yes. What is this, kid?
Duck.
Dog. Dog. What is this, kid? Donkey. Doggy. What is this? Duck. What is this? Duck. Okay, what is the sound of D? What is the sound of D? Very good. Okay. Who knows this rhymes? Who will tell me this rhyme? 5 little ducks. Who will say? 5 little ducks was swimming on day over the hill and far away. Mama duck say quack, 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 quack. 4 little ducks will come back. 4 little ducks was swimming on day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack, 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 quack. But only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks was swimming on day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack, 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 quack. But only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks were swimming on day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack, 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 quack. But only one little ducks came back. One little duck was swimming on day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack, 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 quack. But no little ducks will come back. Mama ducks was swimming on day over the hills and far away. Mama duck say quack, 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 quack. All the five little ducks came back. Yay! Okay. Who will do roly poly roly? Who will do roly poly roly? Big, big, big. Roly poly roly. Small, small, small. Roly poly roly. Open, open, open. Roly poly roly. Close, close, close. Roly poly roly. What roly poly? Up, up, up. Roly poly roly. Down, down, down. Roly poly roly. Smile, smile, smile. Roly poly roly. Cry, cry, cry. Roly poly roly. Hush, 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 hush. Yay! Superb, superb. Shall we do today Five Little Monkey? Shall we do or not? No? Yes or no? Five. Stand up, everyone. We'll do. Stand up. Stand up, stand up. Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. He fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor says, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Poor little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. Three little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. Two little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell down and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. Yay! Okay. Shall we do our attendance kit? What do you have to say? Sit down, everyone. Harshit. Harshit.
Say. Harshiv.
What do you have to say? Cheppe. Here I am. What do you have to say?
சொல்லு கண்ணா
Okay. Kaushik.
நீ சொல்லு
Kaushik.
Yes, ma'am. Here I am, ma'am.
Jasna. Jasna, what do you have to say?
Here I am, Sunday.
Nishwan.
Here I am. I will hear you.
Hey, very good. Nishwan.
Here I am.
Ratvik. Kritika. Kritika.
हाँ சொல்லு
Yes. Service. Absent, huh? Sai Lakshmi.
हाँ
You have to say here I am. What do you have to say, Sai? Here I am.
Here I am.
Here I am. Okay.
here I am means
Kids, one day I taught you about the personality development. Did you remember that? What is that? One day I taught you about the personality development. What is that?
We have to dress up.
Everyone remember or not?
Yes.
To dress up properly. One day I taught you now, you have to dress up very properly in manner. I taught you. Everyone remember that?
Yes.
Yes or no? Who will say me? Kasna, did you remember or not?
சொல்லு I
Asna?
remember சொல்லு
But
Yes. So today also like that we also I taught you about the personality development. Okay. Shall we meet someone? Yes or no?
Yes,
yes, ma'am.
You want to meet or not? Tell me. Yes or no?
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, na? Okay. Shall we meet?
நாம் பண்ணு பாரியா.
Who is she? Who is she? Dimple. She is a dimple. And he is a Disan. Who is he? Disan. Who is he? Dimple. One day, Dimple went to market. When he went market, she saw Disant is also there in market. Then Dimple say, "Hi Disant." Then Disant say, "Hi Dimple, how are you?" Then Dimple say, "I am fine." How are you, Disant? Dimple say to Disant. Then Disant say, "I am also fine." Dimple, did you know tomorrow is a Mika birthday? Then Dimple say, "Yes, I remember. Tomorrow is Mika birthday." So Disant asked to Dimple, "What are you going to wear for her birthday?" Dimple. Then Dimple say, sorry. Dimple says, "I'm going to wear my pink dress. I am going to wear my pink dress with all my matching accessories." Dimple says to Disant. Then Disant asked to Dimple, "What accessories? I could not get what are the accessories there, Dimple?" Then Dimple says to Disant, accessories like like watch, shoes, dress are like accessories. What about the means you are you asking about the what about your accessories? Dimple is saying to Disant. What? Sorry, Disant is asking to Dimple. What about accessories. Then Dimple says about boys like watch, tie, shoes, like accessories for boy. Then think we wear with the cloth. Disan says, okay, I will wear my Ben 10 wristwatch and my party wear shoes. I wear this thing to my dress to Mika party. What about your accessories? Disant asking to Dimple. Then Dimple says, my accessories are. Then Dimple says, only this accessories is not enough, Disant. You have to wear like cap, tie. It was very nice, like sunglasses you can wear. This also accessories with your party wear dress. Then the son says, okay, what about your. Then Dimple says to the son, I'm wearing with my also the like sunglasses, shoes, watch, my sandals, my sunglasses, my hair clip, my hairband, my scarf, like rings, my necklace, and my purse. I wear all these accessories with my pink dress to Mika's birthday. This is my accessories I wear tomorrow. Then Disan says to Dimple, oh, this much accessories you have wear, but I have only this much accessories to wear to Mika birthday. Very nice. You looking so pretty. If you wear these things, you looking so pretty. Did you saw how many accessories are there for Dimple? Why Dimple has this much accessories? Who will tell me? Why Dimple has this much accessories?
Dimple is a girl. So.
English girl.
Yeah, girls have so much accessories to wear with her dress. Boy also have so much accessories like cap, sunglasses, shoes, watch, tie. Am I right? Boy also have a very nice accessories to wear that. Am I right? When you are going out, then you have to wear these things. Yes or no? Who will wear this? Jasna, are you wear this thing?
No, sir.
No.
No? Why not?
I don't like.
No.
I
You
don't
don't like
like.
accessories?
Like.
She doesn't like manga.
Oh, okay. What about Sai?
Mama.
What about you, Sai? Did you like accessories or not? Yes or no? Sai Lakshmi? Did you like accessories? Yes. Wow, super. What about you, Pritika?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Nishwant, you tell me. Are you when you're going out, then you have to wear your accessories like cap, watch, shoes? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Oh wow, very good. What about you, Nishwant? What about you, Nishwant?
Take a bath.
Tell me.
See, చెప్పు ఏమేమి ఎత్తుకుంటావు? Bath, shoes.
Yeah, what you are wear about your accessories? Tell me.
Cap.
Are you wear? Are you wear the tie and all that? When you are going out? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes or no? No what? You don't wear anything.
Okay. No.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Today I will tell you one more thing about walking. Walking tall. Did you know about the walking tall? What is walking tall? No, yes or no? Tell me yes or no.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, na? Then I will tell you what is that. Okay. Okay. Am I looking good? Am I sitting like this? Am I looking good when I sit like this? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no.
No, ma'am.
No, na? Am I looking good to sit like this?
Yes.
Yes. So, what is correct? This one is correct or this one is correct? Tell me. What is correct? This one is correct or this one is correct? This one, am I right? What is correct? Yes. I will, okay. Now everyone stand up. Okay. I will show you something. Okay. I'm also standing. Okay. I also show you something. If I walk like this, is it correct? Is this a good way to walk? Yes, this is a good way to walk. Who will walk like this?
No.
Wrong, na? Who will walk like this? Who will walk like this?
Animals.
No one will walk like this, na?
No.
Is this a correct? You have to pull your shoulder up your chin, then you have to walk like this. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes. There is one more way to help you to walk correct. Did you know? Take any one notebook. Okay? Put it in your shoulder. In your head. Okay?
அங்க
Then you walk.
தலையில வச்சுக்கோ அங்க ஒரு நேரா நடக்கணும்
Then you walk.
அங்க வர
It is called walking talk. Take any small notebook or any book if you have at you. Balance. Take a balance, okay?
நீ தொடாம நட நீ
Straight walk.
தொடக்கூடாது நட
Straight walk. Everyone straight walk. Yes. Yes, very good. Very good. What about you, Satvik? Why are you not doing? Why are you not doing?
I will do, ma'am. Japo. Bye. Book wait for the
Yeah. Nishwan, P. Nishwan, what about you?
Yes, Shiva. Say.
Yeah, show me.
Nishu, చూడా. Dance
Very good, very good. All of you walking very good. Walking straight, that we call straight walking. Straight. You have to pull your chin, put your back shoulder, and straight walk. Okay? Always you have to sit also very proper way. Okay, I will show you something. Tell me, kid. Walk while slouching. Is this correct? This red one is correct or green one is correct? Put your shoulder back is correct. If you put your shoulder up, down is correct. Tell me.
Green is correct சொல்லு. சத்தமா சொல்லு. இது பத்தி எப்படி நடக்கும்?
Is this the correct way? As I showed to you like this, is this the correct way to walk?
No.
Yes or no?
No சொல்லு.
No. So everyone show me. It's very nice. You have to also walk
straight
like this. What is the correct? This one is correct. Okay. Now everyone has to walk in. What you have? Tiptoes. You also walk on tiptoes. What is tiptoes? Did you see in this picture? One girl is taking only one book in her head because she is too small. That's why she is balancing only one book. And you grown up, this boy is a big boy. That's why he is taking 2-3 books. He is able to take 2-3 books and he able to walk. You can also take a book and you can walk in your tiptoes. This is a tiptoes pose. You have to take your feet up little bit and then you can walk. Show me, kids, how can you walk in tiptoes? How you walk in tiptoes? Show me in your tiptoes walk. Show me tiptoes walk. Tiptoes walk.
tiptoesல நடந்து காமி இப்படி காலை இப்படி வச்சு நடந்து சொல்றாங்க.
Show me the tiptoes walk.
நட இப்படி இங்க இருந்து இப்படி இப்படி காலை தூக்கி இங்க பாரு.
Yeah, show me the tiptoes walk. Yay, very good, very good. At home, you take any notebook or book that is small. You can balance it and you can walk tiptoes walk. Okay, tiptoes walk. Not now. At home, you can make a practice.
practice.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, everyone start our workbook.
Hey, workbook.
What letter is this? I'm sharing my screen. Everyone open your D22 worksheet. D22 worksheet.
அவங்க பொண்ணு இது பண்றாங்க. 3 எடுத்தாச்சு.
letter is this, Kate?
இது என்ன லெட்டர் சொல்லு.
என்ன நம்பர்?
நம்பர்.
Sorry, what number is this?
சொல்லு.
3. What number is this? 3 number. What is? You have to one curve,
வெட்டி போடுறாங்க பாரு.
second curve.
2
Two curve will be complete letter 3.
சத்யா.
One curve,
2 curve.
two curve.
One.
One curve,
தராங்க பாரு. சொல்லு.
two curve.
பாரு.
What is there? Count the numbers of the star and color them. Trace them. Number 3. How to trace the number 3?
One.
One curve,
Two.
two curve,
One curve. அப்புறம் 2
two curve. One curve, two curve.
மிஸ் எழுதி காமிக்கிறாங்க பாரு.
Now you have to color. Everyone open your worksheet. Everyone open your worksheet. Show me.
காமி.
Yes. Now everyone do tracing the number.
Tracing the number.
Trace the number, everyone.
எழுதணுமா? 1 curve, 2 curve.
And color the star.
1 curve, 2 curve. அடுத்தது நீ எழுது. அதே மாதிரி இங்க ஆரம்பி. முன்னாடி எழுது. அப்புறம் போடு இங்க போடு.
And color the
curve.
star.
அந்த புள்ளியிலே வரது. அந்த சைடுல எங்க இருக்கு? 1 curve பாரு. புள்ளி வாங்காத சாய்மா ஒழுங்கு புடி. வச்சிட்டு வாங்க அப்புறம். ஒழுங்கு புடி பென்சில் ஒழுங்கா பென்சில். அந்த 3 மேலேயே போடு. 3 மேலே போடு நீ. அது மேலே போடு.
நான் போறேன்.
போடு. சரி ஓகே நீயே போ. அங்க மேல இங்க இருந்து ஆரம்பி. வெரி குட். 1 curve.
One curve.
இங்க முடிக்கணும்.
And color the star. What color you like? Color that star.
கலர் பண்ணணும். நெக்ஸ்ட் 3 ஒழுங்கா போடு. அந்த வா போடு. இது உள்ள கலர் பண்ணணும். ஸ்டார் உள்ள கலர் பண்ணணும்.
என்ன கலர் வேணும்?
எந்த கலர்?
என்ன கலர்?
அது வேணாலும் போடலாம்.
என்ன வேணா போடு.
எது வேணாலும் போடலாம். இந்த yellow போடு. இந்த green போடு. அதான் இந்த green நல்லா
சரி ஓகே
போடு. அது உள்ள ஃபுல்லா
What color you like? You can use that color.
வெளிய வரக்கூடாது. காரை விட்டு வெளிய வரக்கூடாது. போடு எல்லாத்தையும் போடு.
சுத்தி எப்படி சொல்லிட்டீங்க? எப்படி பிடிக்கும்?
ஒழுங்கா பிடிச்சு போடு சாய்வி கலர். நீ எழுதுறதுனா இப்படி பண்ண கூடாது. காஸ்டல் தான் நீ பாரு.
சுத்தி என்ன சொல்லிருக்கீங்க?
இது உண்மையதான் பாக்கணும். எழுதாம இருந்தானா ஃபுல்லா அழகா போடுறான். வெரி குட். அது உள்ளதான். வெளியே போக கூடாது கலர். இந்த லைனை விட்டு வெளியே போக கூடாது. ஓகே இப்படி நீட்டா சொல்லி தரேன். இங்க பாரு. இந்த அவுட்லைன் மாதிரி வரும். அந்த லைன் வரதுல அது வெளியே இருக்கு. இப்போ உள்ள ஃபுல்லா போடு. இன்னும் கேப் இருக்கு. வரைய கூடாதுன்னு நீங்க.
Yes, very good.
நல்லா போட்டா.
Very good.
போடு. நீங்க கலர் போட்டுட்டு மிஸ்டேக் ஆமே. இங்கெல்லாம் போடு. இங்க போடலாம். இன்னும் போடு. அங்க ஒயிட்டா இருக்க கூடாது. எல்லா இடத்துலயும் போட்டு. வெளியே போக கூடாது.
Show me and next one. Wow, very good, Sai Lakshmi.
போடு. இந்த கேப் எல்லாம் வேற கலர் போடுமா அதுல. crayons something and pink உள்ள மட்டும் தான் போடணும்டா. ஓகே அழகா பண்றாங்களே. சூப்பர் டீச்சர்.
Wow, very good Satvik. What about others?
நல்லா இன்னும் டார்க்கா போடு. நீ அழுத்தி போட்டேன்னா டார்க்கா வரும். இழுத்து போடு.
நீதான் போடணும்.
அப்பதான் வெரி குட் சொல்லுவாங்க. ஏய் வெளிய போக கூடாது.
Clap for everyone.
கிளாப் கிளாப் கிளாப். உங்களுக்கு தான் கிளாப்பா.
Clap for everyone.
கிளாப் பண்றவங்க நீ கலர் பண்ணிட்டீல அதனால கிளாப். இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கலர் பண்ணி இங்க எல்லாம் ஒயிட்டா இருக்கு. இங்க எல்லாம்
Wow, superb, superb. Clap for Satvik.
வெளிய வரக்கூடாது இங்கெல்லாம்.
Clap for Kaushik. Clap for Sai Lakshmi. Clap for Jasna. Clap for Pinishwan. Clap for everyone. It's clapping for everyone. Super, very good. Yeah, show it to me. Very good, very good. Superb, superb. Superb, Nishwan. Superb.
Ma'am, Jashna has written 3, ma'am. She doesn't want to color now. I'll color it and send it later, ma'am.
Okay, no issue. Very good, Jasna. Why, Jasna, are you not interested to color now?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, let it be later. It's okay. Very good, Sai. Okay, very good, very good. Very good, Kaushik. Nice. With your colorful t-shirt, you colored the star also, huh? Very nice. Okay, everyone have a homework. A to D. Everyone has to write. Very nice, lovely Nishwant and Satvik. Very good, superb. Everyone have a homework. Everyone has to write in rough note. Letter A to letter D. And number 1 to number 3. Everyone have to practice at home in rough note and send it to me in WhatsApp group. I will check it. Who is doing and who is not doing? I'm checking only. Okay? Letter A to letter D. Letter 1 to letter 3. Number 1 to number 3.
A ல இருந்து D வரைக்கும் எழுதணுமா?
Okay?
D வரைக்கும் எழுதணும். ஓகே சொல்லு.
Okay.
Okay, very good.
Bye.
And do the walking talk practice also. Everyone has to do walking talk practice. Take any notebook in your head and
வச்சிட்டு நீ நடந்து போ.
you have to walk in tiptoes. Tiptoes walk. You can walk. Tiptoes walk.
ஓகே மேம் சொல்லணும். தமிழ் பேசுறது.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Night பண்ணலாம்.
Show me.
எங்க போட்டுருக்காங்க?
Very good, Kaushik. 3 color, red, yellow and blue. Very nice. Lovely. Finish one. Did you complete, Kana? Show me if you completed. Show me. Finish one.
No.
Yeah, he completed. He completed. He
Yeah,
colored.
show me.
Yes, yes.
He colored,
Okay.
and he's
Nice, lovely, lovely, superb, superb. Everyone, a big rocket clap. Do a big rocket clap. Do everyone a rocket clap. Yay, superb, superb. Everyone, only Nishwant is pending, huh, Nishwant? Harshit, what about you? Did you complete? Show me. If you complete, show me. Yes, yes, yes. Nice, superb. Ritika? Ritika, what about you? You didn't show me.
Completed.
Okay, very nice. 2 yellow color and 1 blue color, sky blue color star. Very nice, lovely. See how nicely Nishwant is drawing, very slowly, cutely, huh?
Yes, yes.
Good, good. Okay, Sai, can you please tell me any one rhymes? What rhymes you like?
நீ சொல்லு ஏதாவது ரைம்ஸ் ட்விங்கிள் ட்விங்கிள் சொல்லு
I wonder what you want. Papa, the fun so like a time in the sky.
Very good, superb, superb. Yay! Very nice, Nishwant. And now Pritika has to tell me any rhymes. Pritika, tell me any rhymes.
சொல்லு சொல்லு 5 little சொல்லு
Nishwant, go in mute. Nishwant, go in mute. Yeah, Pritika, go ahead.
No more monkey chocolate.
Wow, superb, superb, superb. Very good. Superb, superb. Lovely, lovely. Okay, very good.
Bye.
Tomorrow I will ask Jasna and P. Nishwan. Both two. Tomorrow has to sing any rhymes to me tomorrow. Okay? Prepare and tell me, okay?
Bye, Mom. Friendship,
Okay.
Are you telling me bye? Okay, then bye, bye. Okay. Bye, kids.
bye bye bye
Hope you like the session. Bye. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. Bye, kids. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Thank you, ma'am.